Hey guys, welcome back to another video after a couple months. Today, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these Confederate commanders by Warlord Games Black Powder Epic Battles scale. So, yeah, let's get right to it. So, let's see, on the back of the box, you see who you get. So Stonewall Jackson, Robert E. Lee, James Yoel Brown Stewart, John Bell Hood, and James Longstreet. So you get those 5 commanders: Thomas Jonathan Jackson, Robert Edward Lee. Following Lincoln's election as President of the United States, the Confederation of the South seceded from the Union, and Civil War was joined. The campaigns and battles that followed would immortalize such men as they led their troops against their countrymen: Lee, Jackson, Longstreet, Hood, and Stewart. Names that will go down in military history. So, let's open it up. I will have videos coming out soon of painting all of them, and since the flag sheet has Robert E. Lee's headquarters, I'm going to paint this guy, repaint this guy, who I know looks horrible, but repaint him as like a chief, or someone like him as a chief of staff for Lee. But let's get this open. There they are. And take them out. So, it's some really nice packaging here. Packaged by Maria. Thanks, Maria, wherever you are or come from. And then nice foam. Then the actual commanders. So this is Robert E. Lee. You just need a bit of cleanup on these guys, but it's like, that is a crazy amount of detail for this scale. So that's Lee for you. Then this is Hood. Like, I'm sure you can get your X-Acto knife, cut off this extra stuff. But, oh wow, that is crazy. Yes, this is my first time seeing these with not painted. I'm also going to get the Union ones, but that'll be in there a while. Wow, that's big. Jeb Stewart with his cape and ostrich feather. Wow, that is really cool. And fine. Oh, I have 2 more. Stonewall Jackson. I might get a bit of backlash for saying this, but perhaps one of the best commanders of the Civil War, especially for the time and who he was fighting against. He was much better than McClellan. Then finally, James Longstreet. That is crazy. But these definitely look really nice, and I'm really looking forward to painting them to get them looking like these. Probably going to look a bit different with in terms of the color of their coats, to be like this instead of this very light bluish gray. But other than that, yeah, that's gonna be real fun, and I'm looking forward to painting these. So subscribe to the channel to be sure to not miss any of the upcoming videos where I do paint these Confederates.